Hello and welcome. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Festive season is upon us and rain has already eased in most of the places. There is a nip in the air and there's a lot of excitement and enthusiasm in atmosphere, which is quite infectious. And on this cheerful festive occasion, I have some easy tips and ideas to set the mood for festivities. So let's begin. Nothing can beat the beauty of real marigolds, but buying them during the festive season can burn a hole in your pocket. So here is a way to make your own marigolds, provided either you have enough time or you have someone to help you with that. Here is a clip from my earlier video. I'll link it in the description box below. Once the flowers are ready, either you can string them or put them in a ball or plate just like that. If you don't have enough time on your hands, so easiest way is to buy strings of marigolds either from the local markets or online. You can find these strings in abundance during the festive season in markets as well as online. Here you can see these strings of marigolds set the perfect backdrop for festive season. See the change they bring into any space. Apart from the liveliness added by the flowers, festive season is about adding a lot of bling also. So let's create blingy hangings. These are mirror hangings. See the bling. Things you will need are thread of any kind. I am taking this quite thin one, and a flower, scissors and embroidery mirrors of your choice. You can take diamond shape, circular, oval. I have taken quite bigger one, and glue gun. So first stick this flower at the end of this thread using hot glue like this. Just secure it here, and now keep this mirror like this, and then put a drop of hot glue and quickly put the second mirror on the top of it and just gently press it, and it's done. And then you have to repeat the step. I have stuck 5 set of mirrors, and now I'll cut this thread and then make a loop at this end just like this, so that we can hang it anywhere we want. And third tip is create your own tea lights. You won't believe that these tea lights are made out of disposable cups. And you know, creating something on your own brings an unbeatable joy. I already have the tutorial on these tea lights, so you can check the link in description box. Here is a quick view how these tea lights look. And here is the warm ambience created by these glistening tea light holders.
Now fourth is again a tea light, but it's super easy and it looks amazingly beautiful. So this is lotus tea light. You can make them in any color you want, or you can make them in two shades as well. So all you need to make these lotus tea lights is some acrylic stones, a cardboard or CD, hot glue gun, beads and a tea light. You can find the complete tutorial on my blog. I have already published it years ago. Here is a quick view. Here is the warmth added by these colorful sparkling tea lights. It looks so festive and so pure. So that's all for today. I hope you liked these tips and ideas and will be incorporating them in your this year's festive decor. I'll be coming up with more such tips and ideas. Till then, happy festivities and wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye bye.